Hi, this is Sheila, and I wanted to show you my little house in Heartopia. This is actually my second play because yung first kong laro was actually beta test. So lahat na nangyari doon, deleted. Deleted lahat yon, even my house and even my pets. Pero I'm not going to obtain pets until hindi yung dalawang yun. Because I've already got a touch to them kasi parang attitude sila ni Arthur and Alfred from Italia or US or UK personification. So, wanted to show you my little house. Let's start here. This is where my piano, I don't play it that much kasi kailangan ko pang i-analyze yung kanilang music so I get familiarized. That's not my priority right now. And this is where my bench, where I created most of the things inside the house was made by me, or I get from those jumping gifts. Here these are my plants which are the weeds kasi maraming mga niluluto dito na kailangan ng weeds. And here's my gorgeous statue with flowers around her kasi nakahawak siya ng flowers. And these are my two vehicles. Now you're asking bakit dalawa lang to? Actually, in this gameplay, this is my second day. Yeah, I didn't know na magiging ganito to for second day. I thought it's gonna be hassle or marami pa Pero iba pala pag nilaro mo na pala the second time, it's going smoothly naman pala. So, parang naging fast-paced siya, pero marami pa rin limits, of course. And if you notice my face, merong ganyan. I got it from the gacha that you can see here. I'm not clicking it this time. Now before we proceed further inside my house, here, I'm gonna show you this one. So first kong laro, hindi ko agad nakuha ang catch insects and cooking. I got a bit confused at hindi ganito ang mga level ko. Now, nung nilaro ko to ulit ngayon, ang bilis lang pala ma-smooth kasi may ideas na ako. Bumili na ako agad ng cooking na parang, pakita ko sa maya. Then, dinalawa ko para madali sa akin ang level up sa cooking. So, for gardening, konti na lang. And, yeah, you see level 2 na. Kaya po ako na yung wheat. And I'm planning for level 3 and level 4 dahil may gagawin ako sa cabbage, whatever. And the fishing, madali lang naman talaga ang sa fishing kasi mas marami siyang mga chances na ma-level up mo siya agad and mas mabilis magkapera when you do fishing. And there's that sea fishing event. Mapagastos ka nga lang ng 5,000 to 2,000 sa pera sa game na to. But it was actually worth it. Hindi naman ganun kahirap magkapera dito. So, sa gardening, konti na lang. Hintay kong lumaki yung mga ko. And sa catch insects, yan, hindi kasi masyado priority. But, nili-level up ko pa rin syempre kaya, there are cool stuff here and it will make sense later on. I noticed in this game. So, that's basically Nangpool. And I wanna show you inside my house. So, sa original game ko, hindi ganito yung tsura nito. It was color red and it was not this ganito. Because I was a bit confused. But right now, na-manage ko na i-organize siya. And even me, nagulat na, oy, okay mo di ay, ang akong house. Well, dahil hindi ko pa na-unlock yung sa refrigerator, ito papalitan ko ito ng refrigerator. And inside here is the shower. Supposedly toilet and sink ang kulang ko dito pero hindi ako ang naswertan lang ako dito is the shower. So yung toilet, I don't know kailan ko makuha yun. And the sink, I think it will be about third day or sa level 10 ng DJ something. And here is my room. Syempre mas less ang light kasi it's room. At first kanigidad ma ko ni, but I was so curious what it looks like and hey, it's not that bad. So, sa previous house ko, may picture ng kapatid ko at ako, but my sister's not currently playing because she's very, very busy. But she urged me to play beforehand kasi para maglaro kami together. So, yeah, this is my room and na-accomplish ko yung plano ko from the start na hindi mag-second floor kasi we're basing in my character and I don't like second floor. Uy, na ma-harvest ko na yung Weeperman and sa second floor kaya madali akong I don't mind having second floor but if I have my own house or ang bahay talaga namin walang second floor pero I'm talking about yung may second floor but in my case kung gagawa ng bahay like this and Sims ayoko talaga second floor hassle lalo na pag ang gabing-gabi gusto mo mag midnight snacks like budak or gusto mo mag CR magdagandagan ka from second floor to first floor hassle oh yeah harvest time madami akong maluto nito oh yeah I basically forgot ito ako mga nagluto nito nag-decorate ka dyan. In this one, if you're wondering how to create this one, and if you're a Hardtopia gamer, do not be such a KJ. I know you know. Magawin mo dito, magluto ka ng coffee, then, hayaan mo ma-burn kung ano yung mga ano. Pag na-burn, then, yeah, create your beside it. So, yes, that's about it. And have a great day.